Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are going to show you how to connect two teeny-tiny doilies together using the connection beads that are in the pattern. Now when you are connecting at this point, all you need is the first bead of your next design. So you just need to look at the top of your next design and get that first color. We are going to do with two in this video, but you can do it with just one bead on each side. And this is what two beads on each side looks like. Now, when with the weather pattern, when I have connections, the next design is swapped. Because see here, you see the highs are on this side, over here the highs are on this side. So we are swapping the pattern when using connection beads. With the no connections, the pattern is exactly the same. But that's just with the weather pattern. If you're using something else, you just use whatever design you're going to use next, and that would be your next design. Okay, now what you want to do is match. Oh, actually at this point it doesn't matter, but your string will most likely be coming out on the right side. So we're going to do it with the string coming out on the right. And what you will do is you're going to add two connection beads, and I'm going to use this yellow for my connection. And then you want to add the top bead of your new design, which is low, so I need a pink. And then you're going to add two more connection beads. Then, where your string is coming out on the right, you're going to enter that bead from the left side so that it comes out on the right side. And there you have added your connection. Now you're going to want to go through the two connection beads and then the bottom bead here to get yourself in position for the first circle. So we'll go through the two connections on the side your string is coming out on, and then that bottom bead, which is the first bead of your new design. And now you're in position to begin adding the rest of your doily. We will begin in the next video. Hope to see you there.